Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can resize your videos and like stretch it out on CapCut PC. So I have, let's see, this video here for instance, and whoops, and I want to like stretch it out. So I'm just going to go to scale, uniform scale, and then for the scale width, I can like really stretch it out, or I can like make it really dense, if you know what I mean by that. You can also do it for the height as well. You can do it this way or you can do it that way. And if you're done and you want to like scale it again, you can enable uniform scale and it will like scale it like normally. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!